Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to make an amazing chicken curry, Indian style. But the beauty about this one is we're going to make it so fast. It's a really super easy method. You'll have it done, cooking time in probably 10 minutes max, I think. Let's get on with it. Delicious. So let's have a look at what we have here. So I've got chicken there, cut into nice chunks. That's chicken breast with no skin and no bone. 1 onion, couple of tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe tomato. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Here I've got some dried fruit. You can use sultanas or raisins. 2 teaspoons chili, 2 teaspoons turmeric. The same of coriander and cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Salt and pepper, and in there 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Here some fresh green chili. We're going to add a little bit of oil to this. What we're going to do is we're going to mix all of this together. Like I say, this is a super easy, quick version. Okay, so mixing bowl, you can see my chicken's in there. In goes the onion. In goes the dried fruit of choice. Fresh chili. Tomato. Salt, pepper and garam masala powder. Chili powder, turmeric, cumin and coriander. If you want, you could be using a curry powder that you have. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to get some oil in there. I'm going to use just a sunflower oil. That's just going to kind of help it get together there. Garlic ginger paste. In that goes. Simply, I'm going to give this a mix. I'll be back in a moment. So we've mixed our chicken. Here I've got some whole seeds or garam masala, whole garam masala. I've got bay leaf, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, green cardamom and black pepper. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here, a little wok. I've got some more sunflower oil in there. We're going to drop in bay leaf, cinnamon, then we're going to go cloves, green cardamom, cumin seeds and the black pepper. Just let them do their thing, just for a few seconds in that oil, that hot oil. Then we're going to add in the whole mixture. So you can hear that we're on quite a high heat. What we're going to do is we're going to stay on this high heat just for about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. And this is already looking and smelling amazing. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 cup of water. Give that a mix. Then we're going to get the heat down. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. Pop a lid on that. We're going to come back in 6 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then if you want. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, get some steam out of there, and that is beautiful. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more. I'm good. But yeah, look at that, fabulous. And there you go, that was pretty quick, wasn't it? That is really, really tasty, no joke. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave a message, say hi in the comments. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.